Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal. In this video, we are going to solve this simple looking expression, but still many people solve it wrong. Why? They cancel out the 9 with 9 and then 20 divided by 20 as 1, which is the incorrect answer. Because when you have given multiple operation, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So here, first you have to solve the parenthesis if given exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Now rewrite the expression 20 divided 20 by 9 times 9. So here in this expression we have two operations, that is division and multiplication. So as we discussed earlier, both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. In the first case, we solve it by cancelling this, and there's a symbol between multiplication. But we have to solve it from left. So in left, first is division. So it's 20 divided 20 by 9. So I want to ask something. Is it same that 20 divided 20 by 9 and 20 multiplied 20 by 9? This gives the same answer? No, because they are two different things. So similarly, when there is a division sign in between two numbers, then you have to follow KCF rule. What it said? K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So let's apply this. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. So now it becomes 20 times 9 by 20 times 9. Now throughout the expression we have only one operation, so we can solve it directly by cancelling out this with this. So this gives us 1 times 9 times 9, that is 9 times 9, 81. So what is the correct answer? 81, not 1. I hope each and every step is clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.